The sun is nesting the horizon, and seagulls are flying on and on. We'll walk the sandy seashore. I'll have memories of of you always appear. I'd love to be with you forever, even though it's time to leave and say goodbye. Beautiful, beautiful island, with your wide and sandy seashore. I'll return to you someday. I'll never ever leave this island again.
Honey, as we're strolling along the sandy seashore, I feel as if we're in paradise. And from the warm look in your beautiful eyes, I can tell you feel the same way too.
Well, actually, sweetheart, I do. And even more so, I think that we should make this beautiful, beautiful island our home.
Truly, baby, we're gonna make it our home.
Beautiful, beautiful island, with your white and sandy seashore.